Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. Our most probably 7th session on the technical analysis indicators, and today we are going to see what a swing reversal indicator in the technical analysis of stocks is. Let's see what a swing reversal indicator is. It is not as common indicator as the RSI MACD, but it is a reliable indicator, and it generates reliable signals when used with other indicators. It basically plots a line connecting points wherever a reversal is encountered in trend. See, swing reversal, prices swing करते हैं and there's a swing reversal percentage which is decided, और जैसे ही वो percentage reach हो जाता है prices में, the market reverses itself, and thus the buy and sell signals are also reversed. So it is basically a trend following indicator that we see. Talking about swing reversal, we can see it on a chart. This is a gold chart, gold का daily chart है, and as we can see on the chart, these lines are plotted indicating the reversal in the trend. See, starting from here, this is an uptrend, and as soon as there's a reversal in the trend, the swing also reverses itself. Here the price of gold are again reversing into an uptrend, and the indicator also goes up. तो यहाँ से यहाँ join करेंगे, यहाँ पे there will be a buy signal which is generated, and here again it will be a sell signal. So in this way the swing signal or a swing reversal indicator is used. Let us see how do we interpret the swing reversal charts. At a swing top, a reversal in trend occurs from an uptrend to a downtrend. At swing top, जब price are at the swing top, a reversal in trend occurs from an upward trend to a downward trend. That means markets become bearish, और आपका जो अप ट्रेंड है वो डाउन ट्रेंड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, सेल सिग्नल आ जाता है. एंड एट द स्विंग बॉटम देयर इज अ रिवर्सल इन ट्रेंड विच occurs फ्रॉम अ डाउनवर्ड टू एन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. मतलब मार्केट्स बिकम पॉजिटिव, बुलिश ट्रेंड आ जाता है, एंड अ बाय सिग्नल इज जनरेटेड देयर. The basic parameters that are used are the high line and the low line of the prices and a set reversal percentage. एक set reversal percentage decide कर लिया जाता है according to which the buy and sell signals are generated. Let's see where the buy and sell signals are generated. See, here the buy and sell signals are generated. Here यहाँ पे 22,856 के लेवल्स पे शॉर्ट करने को बोला है गोल्ड, एंड 21,641 पॉइंट्स, राउंड अबाउट 800 पॉइंट्स का प्रॉफिट दे रहा है ये अपने को. देन एट 21,641 देयर इज अगेन अ बाय सिग्नल, एंड वी कवर इट बैक एट 22,280, अगेन अ 800 पॉइंट प्रॉफिट. So in this way these buy and sell signals are generated. We just need to set the reversal percentage that we need to see, seeing the volatility on the chart. अपने को ये देखना है कि कितना रिवर्सल परसेंटेज अपने को सेट करना है, अकॉर्डिंग टू विच वी कैन एक्चुअली सी द वॉलेटिलिटी ऑफ द स्टॉक. So this was all about swing reversal indicator. I hope I have made myself clear. If any queries you have, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you.